know I got lemonade. She in the bed like, go baby. She be like, go baby. She be like, go baby. What you take me for? What you take me?
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I do box braids, and we're just starting off with her hair, and we blow dried it first. So what you'll need are rubber bands, a rat tooth comb, the hair, and some gel, and I'll just link everything down below. So I already sectioned off and braided her entire head, but I just left this one piece just so I can show you all how I actually do the box braid. But yeah, we already sectioned everything off already, and what I was just doing was combing some gel into her hair, and then I'll link that in the description box. And now you just get a rubber band, because we're going to be doing the rubber band method, and it's just easier to me, just this method, and it works for me, and it's faster, and the hair lasts longer in my opinion. So we're just tying her hair up with a rubber band at this point. So now we're just going to get the hair, and then I added a gold string to it, and you can get that at the hair store. Alright, moment of truth right here. So you're basically going to make a lasso out of the Kanekalon hair, or the braiding hair. And so you want to lasso it around your real hair. So you kind of make a loop. So you're going to make a loop and then bring your real hair up so it's a separation. So twist it, twist the Kanekalon hair so it's really tight. That's the most important part. Just making sure it's a tight twist so it doesn't come loose at the root. So now, since you've got that turn, you're gonna bring your real hair down into the middle. So with your right hand, bring out the other side of the Kanekalon hair. So now you have 3 separate strands. And so every time you're just going to bring the hair from the outside underneath to go into the middle. So now with your right hand, you're going to get that hair, bring it down under and then to the middle, and then grab it with the other hand. So then it's just like a regular braid. So again, you just get the hair from the outside, bring it down, and then put it in the middle. So you're just going to continue to braid under, bringing the outside parts into the middle, and I sped it up a little bit for this part. And also, just as a little side note, when you're getting to the end of your real hair, you kind of want to add in a little bit of the Kanekalon hair, just like that, and so it's more of an even braid all the way down, so you don't run out of any hair. So you want to add a little bit of Kanekalon hair, like bit by bit, into your real hair, so it's long enough to keep on braiding with. So after all her braids are done, you want to just boil some water, and then you want to dip her ends in it. Don't go too far because her hair is long and I didn't want to burn her real hair, but yeah, just the ends. That's just the most important part, to make sure that the hair doesn't unravel. And this is the finished product. In total, I did 24 jumbo braids, and I used 3 packs of the Kanekalon hair because 3 bundles came in each pack. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all so much.